Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop I channel. You are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. Production. Sharp, thanks, man. What's your take on the game today?
Ngobo, I always complain with one thing. You know what?
Yeah.
Sometimes these coaches are letting us down. I don't care what Kaizer Chiefs supporters say, but let the truth be told. How can you keep Pulemoti for all this entire game?
Exactly.
What did he do? I'm a Sundown supporter, but I love football, you know. Kaizer Chiefs were playing so well. Why do you pull out Mdusha Balala in Ngobo?
I mean,
for what reason?
Exactly.
You're just breaking the momentum, and you're just actually destroying the team.
Even your subs, I mean, too late.
It's too late. You know what? And also, what I would like to advise the supporters. Sometimes let's not put our players under pressure. They called for Lilepo for penalty.
Exactly.
When he missed, they were against him.
Exactly.
You see?
Exactly.
So this is the things which we are supposed to look at. Let the players, actually the captain in the field, make the right choice.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Mayo was nowhere to be seen. And to be honest, if it wasn't for Hawks, Mtetwa, I can guarantee you that Chiefs would have lost the game.
Exactly.
And also the two defenders, the right back and the left back, those are the people who are outstanding in the game.
Big time, yeah. Solomons
and Bradley Cross.
Yeah.
But in front, the Chiefs players gave nothing to the supporters. To be honest, you know what? These people come spend their own money coming here to the stadium, and some they are coming as far as KZN, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Cape Town, when they come to watch this type of football.
Exactly.
You know, why can't we just give a chance to our own breed, to our own blood, to our own legends? Give them a chance. Check what Atazwan has done to Amazulu.
Big time. True.
What he has done to Amazulu. So, in closing, Mr. Ngobo, I don't want to be very long. You know what? I always cry about the same thing, about what is happening in Sundowns. You know what? Let the teams play their own football.
Exactly.
Don't destroy the philosophy and the culture of the team.
Thank you so much, my brother.
And to be honest, you know what? I'm taking out my head for Hawks. Mtetwa played out very well, and he's my man of the match. I know the guys are complaining because they can't catch me. Thanks, my brother.